All right, let's tackle the big one, the question every single animator is asking right now.
The thing is, it's not a simple yes or no answer. It's a lot more nuanced.
Yes, it's true. AI will absolutely take over some of the tasks animators do today.
But, and this is key, it won't wipe out animators as a whole. That's a huge misconception.
Actually, maybe will it replace us is the totally wrong way to think about this.
This is the real key to figuring out the future. So let's break it down.
See, animation isn't just one job. It's a whole pipeline, and AI's impact is uneven.
So AI goes for the repetitive stuff first. Think in-betweening, cleanup, and basic tracking.
It really comes down to this, the difference between what a machine does and what a human directs. And that's the human edge. AI copies patterns, but intent? That's all about story. Because at its heart, great animation is all about choices, not just repeating a pattern. So the jobs most at risk are the ones built on repetitive, high-volume, manual tasks. But here's the thing, it's not just about jobs disappearing, it's about them evolving. We're seeing animators become directors and editors, roles that need judgment, taste, and high-level decisions. So how do you become indispensable? You master the skills that AI just can't fake. If you're strong in these core areas, AI becomes your superpower, not your replacement. Okay, let's get tactical. Here are 4 concrete things you can do, starting today. First, get amazing at the human stuff. Performance, timing, subtlety, things AI can't just generate. Second, learn to direct the AI. Use its output as a starting block, not the final shot. Third, make your portfolio scream decision maker. Studios are hiring your brain, not just your hands. And finally, become an amazing finisher. Turning rough AI output into gold is a killer skill. So this is what the market will likely look like. The middle shrinks, but premium, human-led quality, that's gold. And really, this quote sums up the entire game plan for every animator watching. Because honestly, your entire future in this field could depend on how you answer that.